Hi guys. So I want to do a video. I want to show you guys how I make my homemade remedy for cough and catarrh. We are in winter season in California, so my kids, you see, Chimama, you see, she's having a running nose and they are coughing, and my son David is having sore throat. So everyone, even my baby here, she's having a cough. So everyone is sick in the home. So guys, I have a lot of over-the-counter medication, but there are some homemade remedy that nature gave to us to treat cough and catarrh. So guys, if you'd like to know how I make this tea for the kids, keep watching. Okay, see you in the kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So these are the list of all the ingredients I'll be using. Using for lemon. You know, if you have lime, you can still use that, but I'm using lemon, and I'm also using this size of ginger. I'll be using some splash of organic turmeric, and I'll be using 1/4 cup of raw organic honey, you know, to sweeten the tea so that the kids will be able to drink the tea. So, and I'll be using 1 to 2 sticks of cinnamon. If you don't have the stick, you can use grounded cinnamon. So now let's get cooking. So the first thing I did was to cut the lemon, you know, 4 of them. I squeeze the juice out of it. You know, I'll be using the juice after making the tea. So what you have to do is just to squeeze out all the juice from the lemon, then you save the juice. We'll be using it later. So as you can see, I'm keeping the skin. I'll be using the skin to cook or to make the tea, which is very, very important when you are making this homemade tea for cold, for cough, for sore throat, you know, all of these things that come along with winter season. So all these things are required when you are making the tea. So guys, I'm done squeezing out the juice. You see, this is what I got from the 4 lemon. Now what I'm doing, I'm cutting the back of the lemon. I cut the 4 of them and I add it inside my pot. So now I'm grating the ginger. You know what I did was to wash the ginger. I'm using but the back because all of them will help to boost the immune system of the kids, you know, to protect them from more cold coming in. So guys, I'll be adding the ginger. If you don't like ginger, you can skip it and work with the remaining ingredients. So I'm done grating the ginger. So I'll be adding 1 stick of cinnamon. I know, I just love the flavor of cinnamon. Just 1 stick. If you want, you can add more. Then turmeric, I didn't measure that, just splash it, but I guess it will be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then guys, look at what we have. I bet you after taking this for 2 to 3 days, you will see a very big difference. I've tried this with my kids for a very long time. I'm trying it again. So guys, I added 4 cups of purified water or drinking water. You can use tap water, but I just decided to add that. It doesn't make any difference. So add it and cover the pot. Turn on the heat on a low medium heat and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Just 15 to 20 minutes. By then you would have gotten all the things you want from the lemon and the cinnamon. So guys, this is it. This is after 20 minutes of boiling the tea. So after 20 minutes, as you can see, it's ready. What I did was to turn off the heat and allow it to cool down for just 10 minutes because I'll be adding the honey while the tea is still hot. That is when it will still be more effective, I guess. So because I want to give it to the kids right away, so I allow it to cool down just a little bit for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, you can
continue the remaining process. So after 15 minutes of allowing the tea to cool down a little bit, so now I'm going to sieve it. You see, just pour it out, and we only need the tea, the juice, you know. So just get everything out, and you take out the chaff, and we all need the juice. So that is it. The tea is very, very important for the kids, for an adult right now. So this is all we got. Remember, I told you that we are going to add the lemon juice. Now you pour in your lemon juice. Then after pouring in the lemon juice, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of raw honey, organic honey. You know, I love using organic honey. So you just add 1/4 cup, you know, to add taste to the tea, because the kids, they cannot drink this, guys. But as an adult, you can go ahead and drink it like that. But for the kids, you know, the honey will attract them, you know, to make it a little bit sweeter. So guys, you add the honey and stir. Make sure that everything is well combined, and then that's it. So it took me for about 2 to 3 minutes to mix all the ingredients, the juice with the honey together. So guys, here you have your homemade tea for cold and cough this season. Even my kids, they still went to get their flu shot, but they are still having the cold, guys. So I decided to try something different this time. So this is it. Then after that, I pour it inside the big container to put it in the fridge. So I'll be giving it to them morning, noon, and night. Honestly, I do not have a measurement, because you cannot, you cannot just be overdose with this tea. This is natural, this is DIY, this is homemade. So now I'm going to give my son like this shot. As you can see, he's enjoying his drumstick chicken. Okay, look at his face. He doesn't want to drink this because he thought that it's going to be bitter. So I have to take time to convince him to drink this tea. Oh, you know, kids sometimes they'll be so dramatic. So doing everything possible to convince him to drink this tea, because if he drinks this tea, it's gonna help him, you know, it's gonna ease the sore throat and everything that comes along with cold. So guys, I finally convinced my son to try this. I don't blame him, he's still enjoying his drumstick. So I just give him some time to finish the bite that he's having in his mouth. So, and he drinks the tea, you know. So guys, try this tea. Honestly, you are going to see, you know, a change. If you're having cough, if you're having sore throats, or you know, you feel sick, you feel tired of getting out of the bed, just, you know, give yourself that, you know, courage to get up from the bed and try this for yourself. Make sure you drink it while it is warm. That is when it is more effective. So after giving to my son, yeah, he finished it. Now over to my daughter. Oh, Chimama, she's just 2, you know, and she's having serious running nose, and I decided to give it to her as well. You see, I'm cleaning her nose. Every minute the nose is just running. You know, did you see my son saying that you guys should give this video a thumbs up? So guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and try this tea, and let me know how it comes out. You know, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, now is the time to do so. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.